Can't wait till we get our food. Here's sounds. Just kidding. No, I'm just joking. I think she forgot about us.
You take that long?
Or maybe they're just busy.
They're that busy.
If IHOP was this busy, they would bring us our food by now. Look how long that piece of pasta is.
Bismillah. Fine, broccoli. No, you
I went
hack
to
it with the
Bath and Body Works. Leave
you
me.
hack it with the thing.
Look.
This looks good.
I'm trying to get mine off.
Good.
Mommy, is it off me?
Come on. Come on, looks good.
Where? Run. Now it is. Now it is. Now it is.
والله بقدر في Azul abi. Mana gala? Ini sabi. Bismillah. Wah.
Mommy, look.
This is nice, so good. I'm doing this for my family.
We have to smell this. I want to smell it. Oh, smell it.
No, good.
I like fruit, isn't it?
Let's see this one.
Good?
No, coconut on me. Coconuts.
Oh, there's a new one.
Yeah. This one.
It doesn't smell that good, but it smells fine.
They smell good.
Right when we walk in, we're the only ones that don't move.
Ayun ako. Which one did you used to have?
How are you guys doing over here?
Good, how are you?
Good. Are you finding everything okay so far?
Now we're just looking. Thank you so much.
All right. Let us know if you have any questions on
Okay.
anything. And how are you doing today? Pretty good. Good. Anything I can help
It
you
smells
with?
good. This smells very good.
All right. If you have questions, men's is my free day.
Which one did you do?
This one, does it smell good?
It's delightful.
Good. You need to get this one. Yummy. Nice.
Oh, this is not tiny. Oopsie.
Oh, that's so cute. I like this. Hmm? Oh, that'll be all of this time.
Oh, mommy, mine smells better. I'm not even lying.
Yeah.
Smell it. It's right there. Oh yeah, smell it. It's Japanese cherry blossom.
I like mine better.
I like mine better.
These are both stuff.
I would not want to stay after them for anyone. Look at these. We have these.
You do?
No, we don't. But they have these, and they have those. And there's a purple one of those. Of these. Wait, we need. What is this?
Scrub.
It's a body scrub. It's Bath and Body Works Energy Body Scrub. Ooh, what is this? What is this?
So the natural and essential oil. Kuya, nung tuli sa mark. It helps you when I'm trying to add balance. Stop. Maya.
Can I see? Can I see me?
Yeah,
I want to see me. I used this one for bottom, that one for top.
Remember I give this Layla, Mom? Like this one?
Oh yeah, it was exactly like that one. What are you talking about?
I bought it from here. I like this one. The unicorn one. What do you want to get them? You have a hand sanitizer? The hard thing is there's a foam. Hello. Hi. Foam stuff over there. Got it? Got it? Hold it. Oh, I need those.
The sewing thing.
But I want to sew something on this.
I told you there's some
No, for none of the other
marker things, I think.
food.
Okay, this is like way too out for school.
I don't think they have that. They have the total thing. They look so cute. And they have a room decoration thing. That looks so
They
cute.
have glue pens.
Really? Come see this. This looks cute. This one. That looks so cute. I have to try.
God, that's so cute.
You can put it in your room. How much is that?
This is so cute.
$10. Those the one you put in your eyes when you're sleeping? No, cool.
Ooh, this little girl.
Oh, that's one.
Ooh, look at that one.
Beautiful.
It only came with one. Wait, these?
I never knew they have this cute
Oh,
stuff.
yeah. Tell me, you have to look at this one.
I know, but I'm thinking in my video. Look this one. Oh, so mellow.
It's like a crystal.
Pero estos caliros. Keep calm and bake.
Mommy's little cupcake. This is Mommy's little cupcake.
Which one? No,
Mommy's little cupcake.
this is ladybug. You can buy for a little dog, like, let's say something. When you're having something?
Whenever I'm having something.
Yeah.
Wow, Mom, you were so suspicious. You were like this. You were like this. And something while we're doing something.
Oh, you should come here more often.
This does not have any that much of explosive high.
Hmm?
But this does not have explosive high.
You have some home stuff. What is mommy's favorite?
You can put some pictures.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you can hang this one.
Look at this one.
Oh, so heavy. What about this one? Don't have the heart. No, this one. This looks so cute.
So cute. It took me a second to think of what I was gonna say.
Mm. And the hanging thing. I can hang my keys on.
Oh, I need these. These are I'm so cute with them. This is my favorite one.
Pretty good. Oh my god, this is so beautiful.
What? Coloring book.
Oh.
You can color babies.
They could have got a big fun workbook. The coloring one.
Yeah.
40%. Let me see on the top. Oh. Pagata pa. Oh, that looks so cute. Open it.
My rainbow. Oh, I accidentally got two. My rainbow purse. Something like that. Oh.
Nice baby animal. Ang kamera thing. Yung sa mirror doll stuff.
Doll here.
Okay, come on, mama. Holy. Huh? I'm looking something beautiful here. Looks really beautiful. They look so cute. My favorite is watching my favorite.
Your favorite place?
Yes. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god. Let me see money. I can put that in my chicken.
That would be. Well, it's all stick together.
Yeah. From the home one. There you go. Huh? Look at this girl.
Mommy,
Hmm.
we never know we can make something like this.
You never know? Ooh, coffee.
I'm gonna touch the cactus.
Amazing.
Laundry
Wash
today
it.
or naked tomorrow?
Which one?
Laundry today or naked tomorrow?
Yeah.
That's so weird.
I don't find it back.
Oh, wash, fold, dry.
What are the last one?
Dry. It was wash, fold, dry. And then we have a mini trash can.
How much that?
The mini trash can
Yeah.
is only one. It has two numbers on it.
Mm.
So I was confused. Which one to say? Wait, you should put this in the kitchen. Order here.
This is Wi-Fi password is
Cockatiel served nightly at 5 p.m.
Hmm. Oh, it looks so cute.
Good eats. It says good eats. Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Mm. That looks cute.
That one looks like beautiful. Mommy, look. It says kitchen rules. Help set the table. Try a bit of everything. Your opinion is not part of the recipe. Blessed are those that do dishes. Enjoy family time.
Ah, so fun. Oh, just was a living rooms.
Other things may change us, but we start and end with family.
Oh, that looks so cute.
Be our guest. It's a big sign that says be our guest right there. Please remember your shoes. Mid-room, the dirt steps here.
This is where you take your shoes off.
I need to use the bathroom.
Does it have a bathroom? Oh my god, I have to look this inside. It looks so cute. You okay?
Yes.
You need the bathroom now?
I kind of need it.
Ayan na ba ito? Hold on.
Ah,
Babies. Hindi
peace.
ka bicara sa akin.
Get a car wash. Very good.
For just $49.99, it's as simple as snip.
That was weird thing.
That was weird. Hi guys.
Yes.
They're going to get a car wash. Because our car really needs one. In Minnesota, you really do need a car wash.
Otherwise, you weren't gonna have a car.
We got the ultimate pass.
Wash.
$13. We're gonna go in the car wash. It's pointing up if you can't see. Here we go in. Whoa. Tells us to stop. Oh. Whoa.
I should walk my camera all day like this. I was holding the other. Oh, mama.
The water up there is spraying. Whoa! Oh, that side's coming. It's coming this side.
Coming to you, don't worry.
You're gonna see how it was on the other side.
It's coming.
Whoa! The whole car is covered.